Before using your Hexlox, you need to make sure that the hex bolt is clean inside. To make sure, insert a sharp object and remove any dirt. Also make sure that a normal hex tool will fit inside without a problem. Next, take the card with the Hexlox and use the packaging as a backdrop. Insert the key to pick up the hex lock. The hex lock and the key works with a special bond. To insert the Hexlox into a hex bolt, put it inside, make a quarter of a turn to release the bond, and that part of your bike is now secure. To remove the Hexlox, press the key in firmly, simultaneously turning until you feel a bond. Then take the keyring and remove the Hexlox, and you can now remove or open the hex bolt.